In this video, we're looking at finding the missing digit in relation to median, mean, and mode. So this first example says Brian has the following data: 7, 19, 25, 20b, and 14. If the mode is 25, which number could b be? Remember that mode means it is the number that appears the most often. So if we want to say the mode is 25, 25 appears the most often, b must be 25 in order for 25 to be appearing more than any other number. This example says Nolan has the following data: 9, 6, 10, j, and 15. If the median is 10, which number could j be, 6 or 15? So keep in mind, median, we said, is if we put all the numbers in order from smallest to biggest, the median is the one in the middle. So I've written out the numbers we know we have from smallest to biggest. It wants our median to end up being 10. So it wants 10 to fall in the center. So therefore, we need to choose 15 because it will be on this side of 10. I'm going to have a second 15. Therefore, there's two numbers on this side, two numbers on that side, 10's in the middle, making it the median. So the last example in this video, I'd say, is the most challenging. It says Marshall has the following data. If the means, remember the average is 516, which number could B be? So I'm not entirely sure of a faster way to figure this out. My brain's saying, well, let's see what the average is, perhaps before we add in either of these numbers. This is quite low. So I'm thinking if the average of the numbers we already have is already around 516, then 513 would make the most sense. If our average here is really high, then this would help make it lower. Let's do some math. So I've added all those numbers that we for sure have together and get 3,615. So I'm going to go 3,615 divided by just the ones we've used so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can take 5 out of that. 5 times 7, 35. Minus is 1. Bring down the 1, 11. 1 times 7 is 7. Minus equals 4. Bring down the 5. 7 out of 45. 6. 6 times 7, 42. Minus equals 3. So somewhere around 516 already. So I think adding in 513 would make it even. I think that would bring it to 516. I think if we threw in 489, it would bring that average down too far. So let's go ahead and try adding in 513 to our total here. So I'm just going to go 3,615 plus 513, 8, 2, 11, 4. So now I'm going to go 4,128 divided by 8. Notice before we did 7, because we didn't count this number b, now we're suggesting that 513 is b, so we have 8 numbers of data. So 8 out of 41 is 5, 5 times 41 is 5 times 8 is 40, minus equals 1, bring down the 2, 1 times 8 is 8, minus is 4, bring down the 8 is 6, 6 times 8, 48, perfect, minus is 0. So assuming we chose 513 as our b digit, then our value for b, then our average is, or our mean rather, is 516 as it suggests. Okay, that's it for this section. Good luck.